Chevrolet Equinox 2010 to 2017. The rear view camera fuse is located in the underhood fuse box in position number 54, rated at 5 amps. If the wire inside the fuse is burned, the fuse needs to be replaced. In my case, as you can see, the fuse is intact.